Here I have the roof rails that we're going to put on the Audi Q5 hybrid that we just got in. We have one set for the front and one for the back. Hi guys, welcome to ZimbrickAudi of Madison. My name is Jason Campbell, one of the brand specialists here, and today I'm going to show you how to install the crossbar roof rails onto the new Audi Q5 hybrid. Let's take a peek. So here we can see we have the front left and the rear left. So you have to be careful on which ones you put where on the vehicle because they do have different fittings. Now what's cool about these roof rails is there are sensors in them. If you get the dedicated Audi rails, there's actually little sensors in here that you fit these grooves into on top of the roof rails that communicate and coordinate. So if you put weight distribution on the top, whether it's a Christmas tree, a bike rack, a snowboard, the Quattro system rebalances itself based on the new uneven weight distribution. So it's pretty cool. So in order to install these, you need this handy dandy torque wrench, which comes standard with the roof rails. And what you're gonna wanna do is, once these are on and the grooves are in, you twist and keep twisting to tighten it up until these two arrows are lined up, until you've applied enough torque for these arrows to meet exactly at the points. And then you know you've applied enough force, enough torque, and the roof rails will be secured on the top. So now that we have the roof rails installed, you can put on a secondary adapter, whether it's gonna be for a snowboard. In this case, you can do a bike rack for the roof rails. I'm gonna show you how to put the snowboard adapter on. It's actually already clamped down, but I'm gonna show you the process of how I got there using this Allen wrench here. Similar to the roof rails, the crossbars there is a Allen wrench fitting right here that you twist to loosen or tighten the actual roof rail adapter or the snowboard adapter rather, that hooks into the crossbars. And then you take your sweet Audi snowboard and it clamps right on top there. Thanks for tuning in today, guys, to take a peek at how to install the crossbars on the new Q5 hybrid and then ultimately the snowboard adapter on top of that. Make sure you check out the rest of our content here on our YouTube channel in the description below, and stay tuned for next time. My name is Jason Campbell, one of the Audi brand specialists. Thanks so much.